Bits and Pieces Home Cleaning. Hello, my friends. It is Sharon, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And it's hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And I really do like this collaboration. I get lots of support from all the ladies who collab. So don't forget to check out the playlist, which I always have in my comments. And I thought today I'd clean my garbage can out. It's pretty full. So I'm going to empty the bag out. Well, take it outside. And this is a garbage can that automatically opens and closes the lid. And it's worked for us for quite a few years. So I like to keep it clean. And I thought this would make kind of an interesting tiny tidy. I've never done this before. Someone probably has, but this is my way of doing my cleaning my garbage can out. And I'd like to welcome you if you're new to my channel, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome. I sure hope you're enjoying my videos. And if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to subscribe, I would love it. It's free, and you get to watch many, many more people, because the collaboration gives you lots and lots of motivation to get tiny things done in your house that don't take very long. Okay, let's get going. As I'm editing this video and I'm looking at the expression on my face, like I'm doing something that's just very disgusting. And really, it wasn't that bad. And it didn't smell or anything, but boy, I guess when I'm concentrating, I make a scowly face, because I sure didn't look like I was very happy doing this. But anyhow, I just thought I looked kind of funny, so I thought I would express that to you all. And again, at this time, I'm going to encourage you once again to please subscribe to my videos. I'm really excited and want to get up to that 1,000 mark. That's a goal for me for this year. So thanks everyone who's already helped out and subscribed. And if you're thinking of subscribing, please do. It sure helps me out. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up as well. And share the video. Show your friends. Maybe there's some of them that might enjoy it. And always leave a comment so I know who's out there visiting my channel. That's always fun to do, to see and to respond to. Not bad. Dave, what? Can you come and help me put the garbage can back together? Is there a bucket that goes in here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Where's the... Do it this way.
Is that dirt? I cleaned it up. Okay. There is a trick to putting the bag in.
Well, there's two ways to put the bag in, but one is you put it underneath this. But this doesn't always work good.
Don't do it the other way then. I just couldn't remember if you had to do something with that handle or not, because I never emptied the garbage. And today I emptied the garbage because I'm doing a tiny Tuesday with the garbage can. Because I washed it all. And a nice clean lid. What? Oh, you put the handle to the back?
Yeah.
Oh. There we go. A nice clean garbage can. Just one of the many things you can tidy around your home. And we'll put all these. We're going to wash the outside. And we'll put all these dirty papers in there. And our must need a new battery. Oh, there we go. And that closes on its own. To me, not closing. Opens on its own, closes on its own. I'm going to try and make a curtain out of this material that I thrifted. I really like it. And this end isn't frayed, so that will be the bottom. And that long will be good. And I don't measure anything, I eyeball everything, because that's just the way I work. So I don't have an ironing board, so I'm just going to put a towel on my table. There's a plug-in right there for my iron. Let's just spread the towel out. There we go. And I'm going to move this chair. Piece of fun on the floor. Just swept the floor. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see if we can get this pretty much even. That looks pretty good. Yep. Let's just bring it down a bit more. So we're going to leave room to make a hem through here, so I can put it on my curtain rod above the sink. I really like this material, and I paid $3.99 for it. So I thought it was a good buy. I thought it suited my kitchen, or our kitchen. It's burlap, and it has a print stamped on it. And I'm just going to iron the creases out. And iron here where I'm going to cut. And fold down to make a little seam. And I'll probably just hand stitch it, because the bottom part came out good. Okay, I'm going to pull it back down to get the top part good. And the part that's left after I cut it off, I'm hoping I can put a table runner. I'll make a table runner for our table and see if I like that or if it's too much. Add this. Hopefully these scissors are good enough. And then I'll cut. I do have electric scissors. Should really start using them. And oop. Okay. Got that piece cut. Set it aside. And I'm going to bring everything back so I can iron this. I think it's nice on the yellow table. Okay, let's leave the iron out of the way again. And I'll just put this down the center of the table. I think it fits, which is nice. Or do we want it back there? No, I'll put it in the middle. And too much matchy-matchy when I quite like that. So let's hope that the parsley goes down a bit. Anyhow, I like that. Here I'm just folding down the piece of burlap that's going to be the kitchen window curtain, and I'm just making room so that I can put my kitchen rod in there, and I'm just going to take it and sew it down. And I'm going to sew this by hand, just the whip stitch, and see if that'll work. Sunny day in Lethbridge again. Can't complain about that. And I'll start here, and we'll pull this through gently. And my opening will be that wide, and I'm just going to stitch along. So let's get this done. Here's our curtain hanging up in the kitchen. I think it looks sweet. And if you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And a big YouTube hug out to all my regulars who watch my videos. Thank you, thank you. I really do appreciate you. And here's our little table runner. And I think the two pieces look quite nice in the kitchen. Thanks again, Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. My next video will be Fairy Garden Thursday. And thanks again for watching. Bye.